Holy smokes, I just realized I've been covering this story nonstop for about 3 days. I started covering it about 5 days ago. And here, look at it. And this is why. I've never seen a storm like this. Does this even look like a storm to you? So not only do we have our tropical storm Cindy, which seems like an extreme overgeneralization at this point, we now have another storm exploding over the middle of America. Looks like Colorado. I don't know. And so look at the structure of Cindy. I mean, it looks like a phoenix now, a giant eagle. And then look at the storm growing and exploding over Oklahoma, Nebraska. Look how it extends. Cindy extends all the way up the coast, but it's a shade. It almost looks like a giant ribbon, for lack of a better term. My brain's a little melted at the moment. And I hadn't even pulled this up yet. The main reason I was going to make a brand new video to explain to you guys why this storm is totally different is this one over here. Okay? See this? This is total cloud water. So see this system that extends down into like South America? It goes all the way up with a giant spot over Florida, Mississippi, Alabama, and starting to get into Texas. And then it wraps, I don't know, is that Arkansas, North Carolina, South Carolina, like Atlanta, Georgia, like all the way up the coast, and then creates this like dragon like shape here, which this part right here is something I nicknamed like 3 years ago that I saw on mean sea level pressure point, because it always seems to just dominate everything and sucks, like all the moisture that's being sucked up through here is there to there. That's what we got kind of going on now, and they've created this major moisture wheel or conveyor belt. So we may see some, and look at that one too. Something crazy is going on right now. I tell you that. I'm gonna go over to 3-hour precipitation, and yeah, they're getting a lot of rain and moisture here. It's a state of emergency in Alabama. I know the National Guard's been called into Louisiana, and it's a bad deal. And what most people don't realize yet is that this storm, right? It's gonna be like the eye is, if I understand correctly, the eye is like right here. And so this thing is going to move slowly through Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So it may keep doing this through Friday and then drag it all the way over. So it's going to be streaming all this moisture all the way up. We're talking worst case scenario, but it's looking really bad. And nobody guessed this storm was going to get here this fast. We have a lot of weather variables going on right now. And even look at the shapes in the structures themselves. Look at that. That is wild. And look at that. I mean, I'm going to go get something to eat. And I'm going to keep watching this. Because, I know, earlier I was talking about, hey, man, I might go to the beach, watch it come in at dawn. And now I'm thinking, and I may head north. Yeah, I may head to TFW, because this does not look good. Anyway, so I am just giving you the best updates that I can, with all honesty. Yeah, you can see the lines all the way. That is not normal. Look at that. Smoke them if you got them. Be kind and good to people. Yeah, during this event, I'm just not, if anybody's insulting people or groups, I'm just not going to put up with it right now. I just don't have the strength to cover this and then be the middleman for people's displaced aggression. We're all in this together, buddy. Okay? I'm doing the best I can. And this is just freaking wild. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. So, the spirit of mankind has saved us every time we got into the brink before. Looks like we're getting there now. So, it's time to stand up and be the best we can be together. Look at that, though. So yeah, maybe north not even that safe, but I sure as hell don't want to be near the coast right now. Anyway, God bless everyone. Stay cool. Be cool. I'm going to go eat something. And I'll try and do a report maybe around 10, an hour and a half from now. All right.